article this month for our main newsletter that you can find on our website is all about practicing the presence of God, becoming aware of God here in our midst. In the middle of all the challenges and problems and concerns, God is here. And we practice this through prayer, through silence, through supporting each other, for being here with each other and coming together in a way where we all feel that sense of comfort and strength and support. We do this really well through our offices here in Taplow, connecting through Zoom and all the services that we offer to come together in prayer, to come together in stillness, to honour the divine in each other. This truly is practicing the presence of God. And yet we also know how powerful it is when we come together in person, and we've missed doing that over these last few years. So we're so excited for this month of May, meeting together for our first retreat this year at the Kairos Centre in southwest London. I live in God's grace. That's a powerful reminder as the title and the focus of our retreat, to practice the presence of God, to live in God's grace, to feel that connection, to know that strength, to know that support, to know that we're not alone. So we invite you to join us on retreat. We have one in May and one in August, and also online in our Zoom services and prayers and meditations. Every way that we come together to support each other, to open up to the presence of God that's here in our midst, we grow. We release the blocks to our good. We awaken and remember to who we are. Beautiful beings, loving beings, wise beings. Together we practice the presence of God, and we invite you to join us in all the ways that you can and that serve you, so that all of us live the lives that we came here to live, fulfilled, happy, loving, creative, wise and kind. Bless you. We look forward to sharing this journey with you.